Hi everyone, and welcome back to another English listening practice session. If you understand this text, your English level is C1. Today's topic is something many people feel passionate about, pets. If you're watching this video, you're likely an English learner, so I hope this is both engaging and helpful for your language journey. Across the globe, millions of people keep pets. These animals share our homes, our routines, and often our hearts. For many, pets are more than just animals. They're cherished companions, offering joy, affection, and emotional support. The most popular household pets are undoubtedly dogs and cats. Dogs are typically known for their loyalty and playful nature. They require regular walks, love to run around outdoors, and thrive on interaction. Cats, on the other hand, are more independent. They tend to enjoy quiet environments, lounging by the window, and curling up near their owners for comfort. Of course, there's a wide variety of other pets people choose to keep, such as birds, rabbits, guinea pigs, fish, hamsters, and even more exotic animals like turtles or snakes. Each pet comes with its own unique personality and set of needs. Some are lively and energetic, while others are more passive and calm. Regardless of type, one thing remains true. All pets require commitment and care. Owning a pet is a significant responsibility. Beyond simply feeding them and providing clean water, pets need a safe environment, regular health checks, social interaction, and emotional connection. Their well-being depends on us. We must also clean their living spaces, play with them regularly, and monitor their behavior for signs of stress or illness. In return, pets offer unconditional affection. They're there during our most stressful days, always ready to offer comfort without criticism. For many, pets become a vital source of emotional stability and happiness. They don't expect perfection. They just offer presence. Pets can also be wonderful teachers for children. They help young people learn about compassion, patience, and responsibility. Caring for an animal teaches kids how to be empathetic, how to establish routines, and how to be attentive to the needs of others. Personally, I have a dog, small, with brown and white fur. He loves chasing his ball and going on long walks. Whenever I return home, he greets me with pure excitement, which never fails to lift my spirits. He's a constant source of happiness in my daily life. Of course, not everyone is able to own a pet. Some people live in small apartments or don't have the time, money, or resources to properly care for one. That's perfectly understandable. However, there are still ways to enjoy animals by volunteering at shelters, spending time in parks, or simply watching animal-related content online. In the end, pets are more than just animals we keep at home. They're companions, emotional supports, and sometimes even teachers. If you're lucky enough to have a pet, be sure to look after them well. And if you don't, who knows, maybe someday you will. Thanks for listening. Feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.